Hello everyone, let's work with code of Caesar cipher. So today in this video we are going to write a Caesar cipher code. So let's start with our code. So first I'm going to take a scanner class. Scanner input is equal to basically input is a variable name. Scanner system dot in. Now we are going to take a string. So let's declare a string. String is equal to input dot next line. So on the line number 7 we are going to take a input for the string. So let's check what the error is. L must be capital here, so that was the error. We sorted out. So now next we need to take a how much shift we want for the Caesar cipher. So let's take the input that also from the user, input dot next int, and then let's work with the remaining part of the encryption of our code. So for that first I'm going to take a printf statement which will show as encrypted text is as follows, and here also we need one printf statement, that is a enter text for encryption. Here we need a enter shift value, or we can just say okay, key also we can say, but we are going to stick with enter shift value, that is between 1 to 26. Now we are going to first we arrange the code, then now what we are going to do, we are going to implement the algorithm for the shifting. So for that I'm going to take one loop for I. I'm going to take a I loop, and I must be less than the length of the string that we declare. I'm going to use the string dot length function here directly, and let's take a new int to just check whether it is a space or any character or capital letter or small letter. So for that chn, let's take this variable equal to int. I'm basically converting a particular character at the point of string to the its ASCII value char at I. Then I'm going to check whether it is a space or what the character is, and before that I want a char ch, means one variable which is a character data type, because I want to convert the chn, that is a character in numeric or in ASCII value, to the original of its character. So for that I am taking another variable. So now let's check whether it is a space or capital or small. So the ASCII value for the space is 32. I hope you know that. Then if space is there, then we are going to just print space as it is. Else if it lie between for the capital letters it is ASCII value from the 65 to I guess it's up to 90. Yes, I'm right, it is up to 90 only. So let's implement that. Mm, Before printing it, we need to perform an operation. So that operation must be, we are storing it into the char, and for that we are going to first decrease it by 65 because we want original value. Then we need to add, okay, here is an error that it is space. Okay, so error is gone now. We need to add the key value, that is a shift. Then we need a braces around it. First we will take a semicolon because it's showing error. Let's check what is the error. Okay, it's required a char data type. We are going to typecast it later. After taking a shift, we need to mod 26 it, because if the shift value is greater and the addition of both will be greater than 26, then it will create a issue. So again we are going to add its original ASCII value, that is a 65, and we are going to typecast it. So how many curly braces we are take? Two, I guess. Then typecast it to the char. Okay, char. Okay, that's it. And then we are going to just print ch as it is, and just remove that ln. So just copy it and paste it, and just replace the values here. I guess for the small alphabets it starts from the 97 and end up to 97 plus 26, that is a 122. And here just replace a 97, and here also plus 97. And instead of implementing this logic for the space, just we are going to delete this one. I will show you how it's going to work, and just putting else statement here, under which okay, s out, removing this one and printing as it is. So let's run our program. Mm, we need to typecast it. Okay, we will do one thing. First we are going to typecast it to the char, and that is the chn, and then just going to print as it is, ch. Okay, so there is no error. Okay, so here is one error. Let's sort it out. Okay, I just forgot to give new keyword because we are calling a class. So now all errors are gone. Let's check what's the warning is. Casting string.char add to int is redundant. Okay, so it's telling that we can remove this also. But we are going to put as it is because it is required for our program, because we want a ASCII value of each character. So let's run this program. So program runs successfully. It's asking for the text. So let's welcome to WWC, that is a work with code channel. And shift, maybe let's take 2. So our encrypted text is this one. You can see the encrypted text. Actually it's not a human readable, and for that purpose only Cipher algorithm is used. So you can check the logic of the Cipher algorithm and again watch the video to see how the implementation done for the Cipher algorithm. If you want to know the logic from me, then you can put the comment also, so I will make that video also. So if you want to stay with the work with code channel, then you can subscribe and show your support. And if you really like the video and understand the program that we are seeing now, then you can hit the like button. So thank you guys.